வணக்கம் வெல்கம் பேக் டு சேசம் சேனல். எந்த வீடியோ சந்திக்கிற ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். நான் தான் உங்கள் சேசமில் பேசுகிறேன். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ ஃபுல்லாக என்னால் பேச முடியாது. ஸோ ஏன்னா நம்மளோட மைக் வந்து உடஞ்சி போச்சு. ஸோ அதனால தான் பேச முடியாது. ஸோ என்னடா இதெல்லாம் நல்லா தானடா கேட்குது அப்படின்னு கேட்பீங்க. ஸோ ஃபுல்லாக பேசினா குறைன்னு கேட்கும். ஸோ அதோட முடிச்சுக்கிறேன். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ கஷ்டப்பட்டு மேக் பண்ணியிருக்கேங்க. ஸோ ரொம்பவே லாக் அடிச்சிச்சு எனக்கு. ஸோ நார்மல் லாக்கெலாம் கிடையாது, ரொம்ப லாக் அடிச்சிச்சு. ஸோ உங்கள் இந்த வீடியோ பார்த்தாலே உங்களுக்கு புரியும். ஸோ நான் எங்கே தூக்குறேன், அது எங்கே போகுதுன்னு உங்களுக்கு பார்த்தாலே புரியும். ஸோ வீடியோ ஃபுல்லாக ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பார்த்துருங்க கைஸ். உங்களுக்காக கஷ்டப்பட்டு மேக் பண்ணிடுங்க கைஸ். ஸோ வீடியோ ஃபுல்லாக ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பார்த்துருங்க. லவ் யூ, டேக் கேர், பபாய். இதுக்கு மேலே சாங் வந்துடும். ஸோ நம்மளுக்கு நாளைக்கு காலைல ஒரு கண்டென்ட், சரியான கண்டென்ட் ஒன்று வரும். ஸோ அதை பார்த்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்கள். ஸோ இப்போதைக்கு இந்த கண்டென்ட் தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ இதை நான் போடுறேன். ஸோ ஆனால் இது ரொம்பவே சரியான கண்டென்ட்டாக இருக்கும் கைஸ். ஸோ ஃபுல்லாக பார்த்தா தான் உங்களுக்கு புரியும், நல்லாயிருக்கும். ஸோ 1vs2 தான் அது. ஸோ அதனோட ஆப்போனண்ட்டில் நூபெலாம் வந்திருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு கேட்பீங்க. ஸோ அவர் நம்மளால் ட்ராகன் ஸ்டோனு நம்ம கூட ரேங்க் மேட்ச்சில் வந்தவர் தான். ஸோ அவர்கிட்ட ரூம் கார்டு என்டரில். ஸோ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒன் டாப் அடிச்சிட்டாரு. ரூம் கார்டு இல்லாதனால தான் அவர் தான் க்ரியேட் பண்ணார். ஸோ வீடியோ ஃபுல்லாக ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பார்த்துருங்க. லவ் யூ, டேக் கேர், பபாய்.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of Yeah, it's our time to shine. Yo, that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, yeah, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts cause I'm too lost. Off, the speakers can't even handle me. Giving what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop, I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop so everybody remember me. And no, I am not going through life regretfully. I'd rather work non-stop, what they call incessantly, than work some odd job just to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy, I'm getting with all forgotten souls. So stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control and pop off your ball. I got squat, I fold, I'm not bought, I'm sold. My stock rocks, it's gold. Hey, knock, knock, me home and shit, talk to close. I ain't stopping though, it's hip-hop, you know. Or is it rock and roll? I'm not dropping down, no, my pocket's grown. You can't stop the show, so get rockin' on. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make friends. Yeah. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm found. No, I'm never slowing down cause we're blowing up now. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down cause we're blowing up. Hard words like a weapon, attack with no questions. In my own section and they still disconnected cause their mind's been infected and they're filled with objection. Too filled for recollection so we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention cause I'm gaining their attention. Cause I'm making a connection. Lyricism and aggression got me feeling my ascension. In my passion, my profession, I'm attacking my obsession. Taking action and progressing. I go off on the enemy, that's what makes them scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daringly. They say I act recklessly, but that's why I'm effective. See, you can't predict my tendencies, I offer no transparency. Some people think I'm lost, others think I'll be a legend. I'm never gonna stop till I'm one above second. And my thoughts at the top, but my mind stay present. Don't let your dreams stop, cause dreaming is a blessing. They tell me all the same, told me I won't make a name. But it's not about the fame, it's about keeping me sane. So I stay within my lane, feel my blood pump through my veins. Feel adrenaline, no pain, welcome all to my domain. Yeah. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make friends.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough. We'd hook up in my car, driving so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, or in when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
You
everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. Nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious.
We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
Now I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. How careless we could be.
It's too late now, I remember you and me. And how careless we could be.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself, I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled.
It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone. It's so cold outside, I'm break down. Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.